Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Pluto TV. We click on settings. Here on this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list here you will click on Pluto TV and you will click. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.